Have you ever wondered what could be the perfect recipe for your Christmas dinner? Well, ponder no more. Today, we are going to guide you on how to prepare a mouth-watering Christmas dinner that will leave your family and friends asking for more. We're talking about a recipe that combines traditional flavors with a bit of culinary flair. A recipe that's as much a treat to the eyes as it is to the palate. Stick around and prepare to be amazed by this tantalizing recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity. It's all about bringing out the natural flavors of the ingredients. We'll need a turkey of suitable size, the star of our festive dinner. Next, we have 4 to 6 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and sliced. These will become beautifully roasted and full of flavor. We also need 2 medium onions, finely sliced, adding a sweet and tangy note to our dish. Then, we have 4 medium carrots, peeled and sliced. These will bring a delightful crunch and a pop of color. Add in 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced for a subtle aromatic undertone. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste, along with your favorite Christmas spices such as cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and red pepper flakes will season our turkey to perfection. Lastly, we'll need half a cup of broth or water to keep everything moist and juicy. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Cooking should always be a fun and enjoyable process. So, put on your favorite music and let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, thoroughly clean your turkey and pat it dry with some paper towels. Now, let's make the seasoning. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, salt, black pepper, and your favorite Christmas spices. Cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and paprika are all great choices. Carefully massage this mixture onto your turkey, making sure to cover both the inside and outside for maximum flavor infusion. Next, let's prepare the vegetables. Peel and slice your potatoes, onions, and carrots. Don't forget to mince your garlic cloves too. Arrange these veggies at the bottom of a large baking tray. This will not only serve as a delicious side dish, but also as a natural roasting rack for your turkey. Place your seasoned turkey on top of the vegetables in the tray. Pour some broth or water into the tray. This will keep the turkey moist as it cooks and provide a flavorful base for a gravy if you decide to make one. Cover the tray with aluminum foil and pop it into the preheated oven. Generally, a turkey takes about 2 to 3 hours to cook, but this can vary depending on its size. Halfway through the cooking time, remove the foil to allow the skin to brown and crisp up to a beautiful golden color. Once the turkey is cooked, let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before carving. This will help the juices redistribute throughout the bird, ensuring every bite is juicy and flavorful. And there you have it. Our Christmas dinner is ready, but we are not done yet. Let's move on to the final step. Preparing this recipe is as enjoyable as eating it. Let's quickly summarize the recipe and the cooking process. Our main ingredients are a suitable sized turkey, medium-sized potatoes, onions, carrots, and garlic cloves. Olive oil, salt, black pepper, and your favorite Christmas spices are essential for flavor. You'll also need some broth or water. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Clean the turkey thoroughly and pat it dry. Mix olive oil with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices in a small bowl. Carefully massage this mixture into the turkey, both inside and out. Arrange sliced potatoes, onions, carrots, and garlic in a large baking tray. Place the turkey on top of the vegetables. Pour broth or water into the tray to help moisten the turkey during cooking. Cover the tray with aluminum foil and roast the turkey in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours. The cooking time will depend on the size of the turkey. During the last half of the cooking time, remove the aluminum foil to let the skin brown and turn golden. Let the turkey rest for 15 to 20 minutes after cooking before carving and serving. Serve the roasted turkey on a serving dish with the roasted vegetables. Add your favorite Christmas sauce or serve the dinner with cranberry sauce or other sauces such as red grape sauce. I hope you enjoyed this guide to preparing a perfect Christmas dinner. Remember, cooking is more than just a process, it's an expression of love. So put your heart into it and the results will be amazing. Happy cooking and Merry Christmas!